I am going to show you how to access a screen recording tool within Zoho called Zoho WorkDrive Snap. It's equivalent to like a Loom or any other screen recording tool that's out there, but it is available within your Zoho One suite. I am going to show you how to do screen recordings, video recordings, and audio recordings using WorkDrive Snap. But first, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do. And also, feel free to join our community at successfulsolutions.com/connect. Zoho has a tool within Zoho WorkDrive called WorkDrive Snap that allows you to do screen recording. So we're going to go to WorkDrive.zoho.com, and what you'll do is you'll go to whichever folder you'd like to save the file in, and you're going to click on New and then go to Recording and Screen Recording. So you can allow it to access your camera and your microphone. You're going to tell it which screen you'd like to share. Okay, and then you just simply click on Start Recording. It's going to give you 3 seconds, and then it's going to start recording. So anything that you do on your screen, it's going to record it. This is just like Loom and the other applications and tools that are out there that does screen recording. But yeah, after you record, you just click on Stop Recording, and then it will allow you to save the file to the folder that you're in. Now, if you need to change the folder, you can. So you can go in here and just select the folder you'd like to save it to. You can rename it if you'd like, and then upload. Once you give it a second, it's gonna be right here. You can click on that, and then you can play. We also have an option to record video. Right now I am using that to record this video, but you would be able to click on New, Recording, Video Recording, and then it will allow you to record using the camera that is connected to your computer. You can also do audio recording. Click on Start Recording. It'll give you the 3 seconds, and it is recording right now. After you're done, it will allow you to save it to whichever folder you'd like. You can rename it and upload. And here's the audio recording. And it is recording right now. I would also like to point out that you can share your screen recordings either internally with your team members, like this, or you can do an external share and make it available to anyone. You have the option to set a password and expiration, the ability to download it, but you're going to create this link and then you can share with anyone and they will be able to access this video. If you have any questions about this feature or any other Zoho applications, feel free to drop it in the comments below. And then also in our community, you are welcome to ask questions there as well. Either myself, one of my team members, or anyone else that also use Zoho can help you there. Until next time.